User customized reports. Before we get into the actual report designer in EasyEst, I want to go over just some general information. There is almost nothing you cannot do with the report designer. Some of our users have created proposal reports with standard clauses and payment schedules in them. They've added their logo to the reports and enhanced the reports with colors. From the top color toolbar here you can see. You can even cut and paste other report information onto a customized report. If you are too busy or don't want to get involved in it, we can customize reports for you for a small fee, and then you can tweak them after you've got them on your system. Click on the Reports menu and then Bid Reports. Then put a dot in User Customized Reports. When you first start using it, you may not have any reports here. But for our explanation, we've got a few that we can look over. We're going to highlight the first report and click on Customize Reports, and we're going to edit this one. You could copy it and do something with the copy. Also, you can change the description that shows up on the list for being easier identification. This movie is not intended to teach you how to use the custom report designer, but we're just going to touch a few points regarding it. Right mouse clicking anywhere on the designer will bring up information on how to use it. We have several pages, and at the bottom we have some links to other information regarding designing your own reports. Let's say you wanted to change the color of the heading on the reports. We click on it, then go up to Format, then go down to Fonts, and we're going to change the color to something, we'll change it to red, make it bold, and make it 16. And when we do a preview of the report, you'll get a little idea of what it looks like there. Let's say you didn't want the time on the report that's over on the right hand side, where we have the time here. To do that, you just click on the field that brings that up, hit the delete key, and when you do the preview, you'll notice that the time is not on there. If you did not want your cost to be shown on this particular point, we just click on each field that's related to that, in this case the total cost, and I'm also going to click on the total cost field here and the total cost here, just to give you a little idea how easy it is. And we'll preview the report, and you'll notice the total cost column is not in there now. Let's suppose you wanted to do a report that did not print any items in the bid that had 0 quantities on them. To do this, we would go to the Reports menu and the Custom Report List. And when you're on the report that you want to control, you would click on the button here to get the details to come up, and you'll see that you can put in a sort expression or a filter expression. I'm going to go down through another one. Here, this particular one is showing, not showing 0 quantities. This one is sorting by the miscellaneous column and then the code column. This happens to be a scheduled activity report, and so we're telling it not to print anything that doesn't have a start date on it. As with most of our system, clicking on the Help button will bring up information about the report form and how to do some of the things that I was talking about here. This has been just a brief overview of the report writer and some of its capabilities.